Mars is not only the name of a famous planet, but Mars is also the name of an official, accredited, professional, and well-known job training institution, LPK, or Education and Skills Institution, LKP. LPK Mars was established in 2000 by a competent manager, namely Marsudi, M.Pd. LPK Mars provides computer course services including Microsoft Office, Corel Draw, Photoshop, Autocad, web design, digital marketing, and English from basic to advanced levels with institutional exams or exams from the National Professional Certification Agency, BNSP. LPK Mars is a competency test place, TUK, so that competency exams can be carried out directly at LPK Mars without having to take exams elsewhere. Let's take a course. Let's be competent. Remember that many jobs await you who are competent. For more information, contact 081326305344 or visit the site https://lpkmars.com.